Oh man, these A-frames are blowing.
Dude, crazy windy.
It's crazy. We have a little bit of sea behind us. We got some structure. It's actually a big log pile. It's blocking the wind a little bit. The gusts of wind today. They said possible, oh my goodness, possible 70-mile-an-hour winds today. I guarantee you they're gusting. What do you think they're gusting? 40, 45 right now?
So the radio says 30 mile an hour consistent, gust up to 50, and this evening 70 mile an hour.
Oh my God, the whole country is getting it.
Yeah, Aaron's getting 50 mile an hour in Iowa.
Stopping the mojos.
Yeah, yeah, so the mojos, the wind is stopping it. It's locking up the wings. This is the move. You just can't let go of your gun today because it's gonna fall over. You about had your camera fall over a couple times already.
Yeah, it's slapping this A-frame around.
Slapping the base.
Duck band would be great.
Dude, a duck band would be amazing.
Killed one in my life.
Me too. This one right here?
One duck band?
Ever in my life.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
That's the only one I've ever seen, personally.
I've seen several.
Come on, be banded. Come on, Archie, bring the heat.
Oh my God, it's not.
Mallard down. Didn't get the camera on. They came out of nowhere. This wind, I don't know if they're...
I'm gonna go.
Must have came from the back. Gonna start sporting the GoPro.
Three ducks
right,
up top.
right up top, right up top. Here we go. Out front.
Roost is up.
Oh God. Now the wind is literally stopping the wings on the Mojo.
Why?
You see them trying to move their flicker. Does it look good?
It was pretty. I mean, I got them both getting shot, but I was not
Dude,
ready
they
for
come
that.
so fast. Those ducks came across the entire field at 2 foot off the ground in this wind. Barely seen them coming. They came straight to the Mojo though.
They loved it.
I mean, straight to the Mojo. I about shot that son of a gun, man.
Out of nowhere.
Which brings me to my next point. If you guys have not checked out the old Uncut Outdoors, a lot of us hunting YouTubers are over there now. Exclusive content will be going over there that will not be on this channel on YouTube.
It's funner.
Yeah, it's a lot more fun. We get to do what we want. We don't have to censor things. Old P. Diddy doesn't have to over edit everything and put a bleep or take out all the cuss words or maybe a beverage of some sort.
The fat tattooed guy.
Yeah. Your language can be naturally foul in those videos.
It's a gift.
It's a gift of nature. But if you guys haven't checked it out, I will always link it down in the description. Again, there's a lot of us hunting YouTubers that are honestly probably going to pull a lot of our videos. Our schedules will start going over there, and you're going to see less uploading here. So just want to warn you. Look at that, that's crazy. Two ducks. Well, we gotta go spread out some decoys for Shirley. Show you the setup. Don't mind the wind. Look at the hide. Some big logs in front. Got a big building in back. Told you we were in the heart of the city. All right, move some decoys. We're gonna shove some out. Try to get some decoys out here. Leave it. This is wild. First thing the clients asked when they came in, they were like, so Wednesday and Thursday's supposed to be Wednesday. Wednesday's supposed to be 40-mile-an-hour winds. You hunting that? We try.
Shoot him, guys.
There we go. Good shooting, guys. Good shooting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good shooting.
Shoot him, guys.
There we go. Good shooting, guys. Heck yeah. Load them up, boys.
Shoot him, guys.
Nice.
Shoot him, guys.
Nice. Well, we killed a cool one.
Yeah.
Under the wings, that's a lot of white.
Usually get a little bit, but
right, that's a bunch.
he's pretty cool.
He's a short, chubby little guy.
Easy.
I like him.
Yeah.
If they don't mount him, we will. One sip left.
We're good for another 2 ghosts.
He did it. You came through with the hard gummy bears.
The month-old gummy bears.
Oh, they're so good. One of my favorite snacks ever. Real quick though, I know you're probably wondering, free field. Yeah, free. We don't get any free hunting anymore. Now that we're guiding, I'm guiding, whatever, there's no free hunting. Thankfully, this guy likes Preston a lot.
And airplanes.
We are in the city. We've heard cop sirens, we've heard trains, horns, jackhammers, people, music.
They're all just sitting back there in the garage door watching.
Are they really?
Yeah, there's
Are
like
they
6
really?
of them lined up. Just watch that whole mob come in and get rigged.
Anyways, back to the free hunting. We don't get much of it. So big shout out yet again.
Buddy Edwards.
Buddy Edwards.
Buddy and
thank you.
Maury. You met Maury in the burning season, but yeah, they. I was like, we'll pay you because it's such an awesome field, and he's like, you know, you don't have to do that. So I went and got him a little gift from the liquor store.
Yeah, what'd you get him?
I got him some scotch and a nice bottle of wine.
Nice bottle of wine.
He's a big wine drinker.
Uh-oh. But other news, we just had a flock of pigeons go over. But honestly, we really appreciate the very few fields that we get to hunt for free, the very few ponds that we get to hunt for free. We are making money out here, and a lot of you guys ask, hey, how much does it cost for lease fields and this and that? Let me tell you, it's not cheap. It is not cheap. You're talking minimum ballpark, and I'm just going to give you a ballpark, minimum $50 a gun every time you hunt. So that'll just, if you have 10 guns, if you have 12 guns, well, there you go. Some fields are $100 a gun every single time you hunt. I think our most expensive hunt that we've done this year was it was a 12-man, about 45 minutes away from the lodge, and it was $1,200 to hunt it for just that morning only. So if any of you out there are going, guides don't pay farmers, guides don't pay landowners, they just sneak around and lie and do this and da-da-da. Well, we don't. Whoever you know that's doing that, don't compare them to us, because we fork out a lot of cheddar to do this. That's what they've been doing all morning right there, folks. They come charging over the field, fighting the wind, coming right to you, and then they just slide off. There's a feed north of us and directly south of us, so between the wind, between the birds fighting the wind and seeing the live bird feeds, we're kind of in the middle of a poop show. the weather and everything. Right?
I mean, yeah, essentially.
If this was uncut outdoors, I could say the other word for poop show.
Sharks.
Yeah, that too. Anyways, not going too bad though for the conditions, you know.
We're over 20.
Are we?
Right around 20.
Really bad. Ducks and geese. Free field. Shoot the single out front, guys. Nice shooting, nice shooting. Fred. Good dog.
Do you have it down? Oh, you're right on it. Right.
Come on, Freddie.
Oh, yeah.
Good boy. Here, fetch it up. Good. First duck down. Good shooting. Come on. Let's go, buddy. Come on. Good boy, heel. Greenhead. Set. Set. Drop. Good. That's a big old stud greenhead. That was beautiful, dude. Smash the thumbs up button. Come on. Come on. Duck hunting, man. We've been doing too many goose hunts. Duck hunting feels good. Shoot him. Nice. Fred. Good dog. He is not breaking.
It clicked again.
Good job. Good shooting. 3 of the 4, boys. Hey, you wanna? We got the 410. Grab the 410, baby. Here, Fred. Fetch it up. Hold. Hold. Yeah, load up that 410, Preston. Here. Good dog. Here. Drop. Fred. Man, you smashed that one. That's a big stud. Look at that big old greenie. Woo. Checking for bands. No bands, boys. Fetch it up. Here. Look at him. He's on it today. Come on, buddy. Good. Good. Sit. Drop. Fred. One more. Good marks for old Frederick today. We got some tall corn out here. He's doing great. Low light, marking birds. Not shopping too bad. Fetch it up. Dead bird. Fred. There he goes. Dead bird.
Oh.
Good dog. All 3 birds. Come on. Let's go. Right here. Drop. Good. Shoot the single. Got Fred. Yeah, they were hard to work. I figured we ought to just take the shot. What do you think?
I want to try killing the mojos.